Lifestyle changes. We'll guide you through each step of this transformative journey, ensuring you have all the tools you need to successfully reach your goal of 10% body fat. Let's start with diet, the cornerstone of any successful body transformation. We'll introduce a custom calorie deficit plan, which will force your body to use stored fat for energy, effectively starting the weight loss process. Next, we tackle exercise. You might fear hours upon hours of cardio, but the truth is resistance training is equally crucial. We'll show you how to effectively combine both to maximize fat loss and maintain muscle mass. It's not just about what you do in your workouts, but also about what you do in your daily life. We'll share tips for incorporating more activity into your day-to-day routine, boosting your overall calorie burn. With the right mindset, you can go far. We will discuss the importance of positive thinking and goal setting in your transformation journey. Remember, transforming your body is as much a mental game as it is physical. Sleep is the unsung hero of fat loss. We'll explain how proper sleep habits can significantly boost your body's ability to lose fat and help you recover from your workouts faster. Supplementation can be a controversial topic. We'll clear the air and show you the supplements that can aid your transformation journey, without breaking the bank or causing unnecessary health risks. In the last section, we'll talk about how to maintain your new 10% body fat physique. After all, what's the point of all this hard work if you don't maintain it? We've got your back every step of the way.